I was born in the Marshall Island, and my life there was great. We play a lot outside. We go to churches. Um, I hang out with my friends every day. I see a lot of kids playing outside. When I was informed that I was coming here to Hawaii, I was a bit excited because I had to see my mother again. Yeah, she she was here to she was here to like look after my grandfather because he has kidney problems. So she told us we should come to Hawaii and come to school here and live with her. My mom called us and said that she bought tickets for us to come here in Hawaii. And when we came here, it was like I was shocked because there were tall buildings and plenty of cars and plenty of lights. I came from a small island, so there were not that many, but tall building, uh, plenty of cars. There are also a lot of people here. Yeah, and when I came here to school, I was nervous. Try to make new friends here at school. It was hard for me, because I I'm not really good at speaking English, and I'm a shy person. It will be my first time talking to other people who are not from the Marshall Island. Yeah, and I was nervous. I gave up my friends, leaving them behind, and my other family members. Yeah, and the island, which miss very much. So when COVID started, my mom moved here to Hawaii while we stayed behind in the Marshall Island. I think the Marshall Island was not affected by the COVID. Um, yeah, and but years after, it was they were affected. Like when the U.S. when there is no COVID here now. My life here, uh, I'm still looking. I'm still trying to look for a part-time job, and it's kind of hard for me. And I like to play basketball with my cousins. I like to play games too, um, hang out with my friends, and I will be going to college here too. So there's gonna be a lot of change in the future. I want to join the military when I graduate or after I graduate college. So I want to serve, but I also want to help my people by helping them in ways that if they need help, they can come to me